This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Did you like that? How I did the bip, bip, bip. Hey guys, hey, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. And check this out. Imagine looking at an account like this, and the reason why you see this type of money that's coming in every single day into one of my accounts here on ClickBank is because I sent out an email. And guess what? The email is free, and I don't have to spend any money. And guess what? You as a newbie can do this right now. All you need to do is follow everything that I'm showing you, and I promise you within 30 days, if not in the first week, you can leave your job. You'll no longer have to work a job for the rest of your life. Now, I want you to picture something. I'm averaging $700 to $400 a day using this technique, as you see in my ClickBank account. Let me do a refresh here so you'll know that this is real. Let me sign in. I want to be always transparent with you, and I do this over and over again to make money online faster here. You see here? That's like every day this money is coming in, and it's the site that I'm going to give you access to right now. I'm not going to ask you for money. You don't have to sell anything. All you need to do is pay close attention here. Hey, guys, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Sub to the channel. Only smash the like button if I give you massive value. I'm going to go very quickly, but I'm going to be very informative in the video. All I ask for you to do is smash the like. And if you share this video the most, and let me know in the comments below, I'm going to bless somebody with some cash apps. All you have to do is share it out below, like it, share it many times, leave your cash app in the comments below, and I'll come back to this video and I'm going to hook you up. First site you need to go to is Hercules.com. Now, you've probably never seen this website, and let me tell you why. Internet marketers, they're like a-holes, right? Because what they do is these type of sites, they sell you a program, and then they put these type of sites in the program for you to get access to, but it was free. So I think that's BS. I'm going to give it to you for free. And Hercules is basically this. They advertise to thousands of people every single day. And the great thing about it, you don't have to build a list. You don't have to have a list. All you need to do is sign up and hit a click of a button. Email goes out and you start making money. It's just that easy. And I'm going to show you undeniable proof. As you can see, they're trusted. For over 20 years, these guys have been out here. The traffic is 100% real. I've did it. I do it all the time, actually. I have a team that does it. And I just want to prove to you, if you make $200 a day at a minimum, let me ask you a question. Would you ever work a job again? That's $6,000 a day. I mean, a month. And anybody can do this. Most people that watch these videos to the end, they never make money because you just don't believe that you can do it. You got to truly believe that you can do it, okay? Forget about the naysayers. Forget about everybody else that's talking about what can't be done. And listen to me. I'm a millionaire. I'm rich. And I don't say that to impress you, but I do say it to impress you that you can do this. Move your mouse to sign up now. That's very easy to do. Put your first name. Your name is Big Head, right? Look, Big Head. Whatever your name is, it doesn't matter here. Put in your username, password again. Put your email address right here. Click here for the same email address for both subscribe and main addresses here. And you're not a robot, and create our account. And if you do that today, you're halfway there. I'm going to be honest with you. You haven't spent any money. You don't have to be smart. You could be old, young. It doesn't matter. Even a teenager can do this. Instead of wasting your time watching stupid videos on YouTube, watch educational videos from Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Why? Because I love you and I want you to win, okay? So with you, just all you have to do, hit the login button. Once you log in here, you're going to see a page like this, okay? And it's that easy. Make sure you read the rules. But let me show you how easy this is. Understand this. This, I want to be very honest with you. Hercules does have a paid service, but do not buy it, okay? It's free. For free, you can send that email out right here for free to 1,000 people that are hungry and thirsty for what you have to offer. And I'm going to give you a cheat sheet, and I'm going to tell you exactly where you need to go to get the offer. I'm going to tell you what to put in the ad body, and I'm going to tell you exactly what to put here in the subject line. Smash the like button if you're nodding your head yes, and you're thinking to yourself, I really like this black kid from Houston, Texas called Wesley, billion dollar virgin, right? But the question is he really a virgin? Smash like, and I'll tell you later. Now listen, so you may be asking, well, Wesley, what do I put here? I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you two sites that I use personally, and this is how I'm able to do this automatically here, and I'm going to show you. The first site that you need to go to is what is called up here, fplus.com. Okay, that's all it is. See that? fplus.com. So basically, these folks, they're going to pay you per lead, per sale, whatever. But what I like to do is I need to find offers that they'll pay you per lead, like this PayPal gift card here. See this? So basically, per lead, they're going to pay you $2.50 for lead. Now, let me explain what it means by per lead. Okay, once you get approved here, when it's very simple to get approved, right? All you need to do is have a pulse and a heart, and you get approved. Every time someone goes to their form here and they leave out the information, well, you get paid. They don't have to buy anything. So let me get you to picture this. You read the information here, and say if you start the subject line with, let's do this together. Right? Free PayPal $1,000 gift card. I can put free here, right? Done deal. And I can put free gift card. Click here. That's how simple it is, right? Then all you have to do once you get approved, right? Because you will get approved. It's very simple here. And then you just link. You take your affiliate link from the site right here. Does that make sense? Are you with me? And you just link it right here, and you can just hit submit ad. Or you can say right here, you'll thank me later, right? Done deal. Submit ad. That goes to 1,000 people. So do the math. If that goes to 1,000 people and they're going to pay you $2.50 here, as you can see here, then that's like, say if out of 1,000 people, only 200 people interact. 200 times $2 is already $400, right? And so it's about $500 a day. It's $15,000 a month. I mean, I'm sorry, that's that'd be $300 a day. That's $9,000 per month, and that's only like 200 people that didn't buy nothing. All they did is filled out a form. That's all they did. So what you do is, listen, you just go through here, find something that's going to pay you per lead, per sale, however, whatever you want to do. Get approved for many of them. Sometimes I do many of them, and sometimes I blast out to many of them, because you know why? And I'm going to give you this secret at the end. I'm going to show you how to duplicate your results faster, because I know you want to make money online faster, sooner than later. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay? So the next site is digitalstore24.com. Okay? digitalstore24.com. That's an affiliate network platform. The great thing about these affiliate network platforms is you don't have to do any work, because the person that created the product has already did the work for you. Does that make sense? Can I get an amen? I mean, they did it all for you. They did the marketing. They created the ad. They did everything for you. All you need to do is plug and play, and you're done. So I'm going to recommend Genius Grub. Of course, I'm partial to me, but not just that. I pay 80%. This guy pays 10%. This guy's pay 50%. It's a no-brainer. See, the thing is, this is my mindset, and I may be dumb, but I truly believe that if you serve more people, if you help enough people like you to get what you want, you'll get everything that you want, okay? Then you'll start winning. So if I help you and give you more percentage as you make this money using this free platform here, just blasting out an email every single day, then I'll get everything that I want. And then you'll say, I love you, Wes. I thank you, Wes. You'll do testimonial videos online on YouTube, because for the first time, you're actually making money online. Okay? So listen, this is what you want to do. You want to go to this product here, and you're going to see this link here. This is called your affiliate link. This is very important. This is what you're going to use over here. Okay? We'll just paste it here so it can just sit there, because we're going to come back later. But you need to put your affiliate link. Does that make sense? Not mine, yours. Which means you need to sign up for an account, okay? A free account, and get your affiliate link, okay? Then you may ask, well, Wesley, what do I put in the subject line here? Like, what do I put in the ad body, and what do I put here? Let me show you. This is how you make the money online, man. How many of you picturing yourself making money online using a strategy right now? Comment below, okay? Look at this, affiliate support page. I did all the work for you. You're going to see this weird-looking guy on top of a Rolls Royce, right? He's kind of shiny because he used a lot of baby oil in the morning, okay? Look, yes, I want to cast. Your name is bighead@yahoo.com. You put whatever your name is. I don't care what your name is. Little head, big forehead. Put your name there. Put your email address. Yes, I'm ready to get paid, because you are ready to get paid now, Okay, scroll down here. Look how easy this is. You haven't spent any money, okay? Click here to download. It's really easy. The great thing about people who do well with products, I've created over like 5 products online. Every product that I've made have made me over $10 million plus. That's why I have a net worth of about $30 million, because these products do very well, not just for me, for other people like you, because you're brand new. And look here, I did all the work for you. Email number 1. All you need to do is copy and paste. Look, you guys seeing this? Who wants to hit the like button for your boy Wesley Virgin? If you love me, smash the like button. If you don't love me, then I'm like, why? Because I'm a good guy. I'm the good guy. Okay? Marketplace. Let's go back here. And you just copy this body here. Now, what's very important here, everything that you see in blue, you must code it and embed it and link it to your affiliate link. Okay? Your affiliate link looks something like this. Okay? You see where it says your affiliate? Well, that's you, big head. You need to put your ID here. If you don't do it, then you're not going to make any money. You're not going to see any money coming to your account like this. Okay, does that make sense? You have to make sure that you put your affiliate link in the embed here, in the link here, okay? And then you copy the body. It says body copy right here, right? Like, I try to make this very easy for you so you can easily make money online right now, okay? So look, then you go back to submit ad here. Easy. You just copy and paste the ad with your link and hit submit, and you're done. Does that make sense? And now, like I said before, I'm going to promise you how to do this multiple times. Look, if you want to do it multiple times, just create new accounts. Hello? Go back here to Hercules.com. Create another account, different email address, different username, and keep doing this over and over again. And now you'll be sending out to 2,000 people a day, 3,000, 4,000 people a day. Does that make sense? You can have yourself a little rabbit team, right? You can hire your son and your daughter to do this every day. You can send out to as many people as you want to because it's free. And all you need is a few sales per day. All you need to do, I want you to imagine this, okay? Imagine this real quickly here, okay? I want to be very honest with you. Imagine, like, look, this is my YouTube channel here, and I'm going to show you something, and I'm going to explain something that I've never explained before here. But so here's my channel right here, right? So you got to imagine it like this. Today at your job, you're probably not even making $300 per day, right? Most of you are making $100 per day. This is why people sub to my channel, because I was like that. I used to make $100 per day at a stupid job in my later 20s, okay? Now listen, that's $3,000 a month. And you're telling me, even if you did this part-time at your job, in your cubicle, wherever you are, and just follow exactly what you've seen in this video here, you can make $200 a day. That's $6,000 per month. Like, you'll never work a job. And once you start to do that, you'll get excited. You'll feel good about yourself, and you'll feel good about Wesley Virgin. And you'll see why so many people like me, because I'm transparent. I'm real. I keep it real. I'm direct. Listen, you can do this. Listen to my voice. You can do this. Watch the video over and over and over again. Sub to the channel and like the video, because I want you to watch it over and over again until you get it, and you will. It is simple. Just do it over and over and over again. You might say, well, Wesley, what if I don't get results the first time? Do it again, big head, and keep doing it. That's what I did. I kept doing it over and over again. When people told me that I couldn't make it, people told me, you suck, Wesley. People said, Wesley, you scream too much. My family said, stop having all these big dreams. And guess what? I'm rich now, right? I'm wealthy. And all I want you to know is this. If I can do it, I'm not that smart. I'm not that intelligent. I'm not that big. I'm just a regular guy. I'm in my bed right now, butt naked right now, doing a video for you. Listen, you can do this, and you can do it right now. Hey, if you want to cash out, all you have to do is share this video, smash the like button, let me know that you did it before. The more people that you share it out to, if you put your cash up and tag people in the comments below, then I will comment on your comment below 5 winners, and you'll have the money. Hey, I love you guys so much. This is Wesley, billion dollar version. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let's go! Let it go.